You are not welcome here.
Sir, wait, I just want to ask you just a few questions. Off the record, not as Alice a journalist, but a concerned citizen.
Let me tell you something. My life doesn't revolve on politics alone. Right now, my son is in hospital, sick. And here you are, wanting to ask me, huh? Please, with all due respect, don't ask me anything in my house.
It's just a few questions, sir. You know, there are rumors flying around everywhere that you've been selling drugs. And Mr. Karkoga swears that you sold thousands and thousands of kilos to the ghetto youths, to the growth points in the rural areas.
Karkoga was my friend. The only reason I terminated that friendship, because I realized that he is a big liar and a child molester. Do you believe everything rapists tell you? Talking about drugs, why don't you go and ask Karikoga himself? Because he is the one that was found intoxicated with his pants down on top of a minor. Leave.
Can I just ask you just a few more, just one or two, just to clear the air, sir?
I said leave.
Sir, Mr. Kawandela.
Before I shoot you.
Yes. Never. Unotanga bhoka ramusi unondifundisa mani wewe. Hai pfama mani wewe.
Sorry mama.
Ah, mama kuti chi? Ndirame yako uzwa vesi mama mukudi. Kuri zachi buru kwacho. Ah, izvo zvakatomitsisa mumwe munhu so.
Sorry yenyu tete.
Oh.
Promise arwara kumbo.
Kurwara? Arwara nei?
Ameno. Angotonhora. Handisi kuziva kuti zvafamba sei.
Never puro. Naipuro waita seko nasikana chachararamira panopanyika chiko zvinoindi naimi. Never puro ndaita seko naimasikana. Naimasikana. Naimi, mune shuwa. Muri kufuridza mwana mushana kuti atonhora kare kare uyu. Ah, musadaro asikana muchukwa. Aiwa musadaro kare.
Naona chidonza mweya anoza kuti asofema.
Iwe, batoko. Batoko.
Saka mamakabona naye kupiko.
Kuchipatara ka, chinofirwa nemunhu ndinai pano batoko naye, ndisabata zvakanaka.
Saka ngatitsamugeza kare.
Wona mabatira uri kuita, wona. Zvanaitira mani, unokwadza munhu apa mani wewe.
Amaita basa say and so it's just gonna record just something short.
Oh,
I'm going to record a panapa just to make sure that I have everything as you say it.
Yeah, make sure it's on tape.
No, yeah, definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm now recording.
Okay.
Right. So, Mr. Karkoga,
Yes.
I only have a few questions, or clarifications rather, into the examination about into the Olomboshava agricultural land that the Rural District Council is about to turn into an urban area.
Okay.
Right. So we want to know, the people rather want to know, why is it you never told them that their land was about to be taken away? Because now they're furious. They want to know why is it that you never addressed this program, the RDC program, now that the land has been taken away. Why? It's taken away by surprise, actually.
To tell you the truth, to be honest with you, I was also taken by surprise. Because I didn't know that the RDC is planning to urbanize the area. I didn't know. Huh? And when I was about to discuss this issue with the people of Domboshao, that's when I was set up with these drugs and girl thing.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that the situation at the Motor Hotel was a setup?
It was a setup indeed.
How?
Only that I don't have enough evidence to support my case. I tried to speak to the police.
And?
I tried. Huh? I tried to speak to the police to tell them about what happened that day, but they're shutting me out. I feel sabotaged, Alice. From the beginning, this whole thing, the Domboshawa thing, the drug thing, the girl thing, was put on me out of politics, so that I can never participate and get voted for again. Huh? I know it.
Oh, okay, so do you have any last words for our viewers?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
I'll try my best to imprison this culprit in this fraudulent case. I want to prove my enemy wrong.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Garkoga, for talking to us. And I truly hope that the people of Lomboshawa and any other people going through the same ordeal can understand and see your passion and veracity.
Thank you.
Do you allow me to just take a few clips of you? Thank you, sir.
Tibatsiriwo kangu ndinoona here nesi mwanangu tauya nemurwere wedu. Tibatsiriwo mwanangu ndapota zvangu. Ndapota.
Asa muzuzi kuti kune lockdown. Mapinda sei pagedha, mapinda sei.
Tiri kuzviziva mwanangu. Asi kuti tarwarirwa nashaka repekutangira mwanangu. Sorry.
Nesa hapo. Manesa ari pano ari kungoita zveCovid chete. Last time yeCurfew yatokwana.
Ne mwanangu. Zvino munhu wofa here chokwadi nemwanangu nenyaya yekuti curfew mwanangu. Tibatsire kana usana.
Imi saka ndokubatsirai sei. Manesi atori kulockdown izvozvi. Vari pano vari kungoita zvekubaya vanhu chete.
Ndiri kukumbira.
Aiwa, bude.
Taura kanewo COVID iyi ambotionerowo kama.
Aiwa. Imi.
Mama.
Musadaro kana mwanangu naye.
Buda yamai.
Hasikufema.
Hasikufema
ko.
Wati
Hasikufema mama, hasikufema.
Imi, buda John.
Puro. Ne Jehova wewe ndoita sei kwe. Puro. Newa puro iwe. Kuchachiko shaka. Puro iwe. Auna ile.
Imi. Iyo rase. Tora barara ko bude mubve muno. Muri kuitira vanhu vari kubayiwa. Imi ndamuchemera mba kwenyu. Mwane chitunhu hapana pamakunyepera kuti. Iyo rase. Ina ndiri zvembanje uri kuzvinzwa. Handidi zvembanje panapa. Ndiri kutaurira. Ndopedza ndakurova mati. Imamai simukai. Amai ndati simukai. Iwe shamwari. Muuya nechitunhu munhu akafa. Aiwa. Yende. Iwe shamwari. Iwe ndiwe munhu wandiri kutaurira. Ndiwe imamai. Ndakuzoshaya temba mai. Ndakuzoluza temba. Rasta.
This is where you belong. Kande.